lot of good businesses look average online for one simple reason. They don't ask for reviews in a consistent way. The work is good, the customers are happy, but the review system is weak or it barely exists. So in this video, we're fixing that. No gimmicks, no incentives, no weird tricks. We're going to use the tools Google already gives you, your review link and your QR code. Then we put everything into one simple review pack. Got your link, QR code, short messages to send, short email versions, and calm replies for good and bad reviews. Okay, by the end, you'll have a review system you can actually use. Okay, first we're making one simple doc that holds the whole system. This is your review engine pack. It keeps everything in one place so you don't have to reinvent everything every time. All right, so let's start with a new doc. Just name it. There we go. Make sure you name these things something that you'll be able to find again. If your Google Drive and whatnot is anything like mine, it gets a little out of hand pretty quick. So naming is the key here. Okay, so we're going to paste in this stuff. These are the things that we're going to be going through today. Basically, we're going to get a text and email replied that is immediately after the job and the next day. So it's just as a reminder. These are just templates that you can put into an email your client and ask for a review. Very simple, but we'll pre-write these so you're not like worried about writing it every time. So this is where your links go, the QR status goes, your customer messages go, and your review replies go. Now let's grab the real review link and QR code from Google. Okay, so we're going to go over to our Google business profile. I already have mine open. Where is it? Read reviews. Okay, get more reviews. Here we go. So here's the review link right over here. I'm just going to put it down. Review link. And we're going to save this image as okay, so that's saved. If you want, you can even put that into your doc. All right, so let's see if we can just drag and drop that in there. Boom. Okay, so we've got it. It's saved in our doc. That's it. Official link, official QR, done. So now let's write messages that you'll ask customers for review. So the goal is not to sound fancy. The goal is to sound normal, short, and easy to respond to. You don't want to overwhelm people with a long email. You just want to say, hey, thanks for working with us, and please take 2 minutes to go over to Google and tell us what you think. We're going to take a prompt. These will all be available down below. Okay, so this is the prompt. Okay, so these are the things that you're going to want to replace. Business name, your region, and review link. Oops, I need to go over here and get that. So, and then we replace the review link. So let's hit go. This usually takes very little time. Okay, here we go, it's starting to come up. Okay, text message 1, this is for after. Hi, this is Shelf Help. Thanks again for having us today. If you have a moment, we'd really appreciate your Google review. Again, with the text set next day. Hey, this is Shelf Help Storage. Thanks again for trusting us with your space. If you hadn't had a chance yet, we'd be grateful for a Google review. And then same idea with emails. And then your in-person ones are, thanks again for having us in today. If you're happy with everything, we'd really appreciate a Google review. I'll send you the link. Basically, you're going to say this to them on your way out to the door. You're shaking their hands. You're saying, thanks for having us. Let us know if there's any issues. And please take time to go review. Like, I can't explain enough how Google reviews will help your business. We're going to paste in here. I'm just going to replace that whole bit. So basically, go through this. If anything feels kind of robotic or whatever, this is your starting point. You don't have to let AI do all the work for you. It's just going to give you the starting point for these kinds of things. If it doesn't sound like the way you would word it differently. But you've got a basic structure now to change. You can go argue with the AI and have it fix and fix and fix until you get it right, which is not a bad idea if you're training your AI to speak like you. But in this case, I'm not going to bother. These sound fine to me. These are perfectly acceptable texts and emails and statements and whatnot. Okay, so now let's get this created. So in the same chat window that you're in, you can use any for this. I'm using ChatGPT, but you can use Google, you can use Claude, Chat, Mana, and it doesn't matter. Any AI should be able to handle these tasks. Okay, so we're going to paste another prompt in. Here's the same thing. We got to replace these bits again. No big deal. You should have all this stuff stored nearby anyways. And if you don't watch some of the earlier videos in this series, you will have all of these things ready to go at this stage. It's just easier copying and pasting rather than writing it out every time. Okay, so that's all we got to replace for this. Let's run it, see what we get. Again, this should not take too long. So really, you just need one or two of each. All right, so now let's connect the system. Your invoice is already built, the blank QR spot already there, so now that part's easy. So now we're gonna go over to the invoice, and this is where I had planned to put the QR code, and since I already have it up and handy, I'm gonna just, boom, drop that in there. Now in this previous section, the invoice line, choosing yada yada. So let's see if that'll fit in there. There we go. It ain't pretty, but it'll do the trick. This is basically what you need to be doing. This is your 7-day list. Day 1, let's save your review link, QR code, and your review engine pack. We did that today. These are your simple 7-day mini plans. This is if you just want to do one thing a day, just to feel like you did something that day towards the business, being more organized or getting more business. Okay, so you add your QR code to the invoice. We did that. Day 3, send the after job text to the customer. 4, reply to reviews once per day in one short batch. So if you're getting a bunch of reviews in at once, just go log in one time, do all your replies. This is a great idea too, is just having that QR code printed somewhere with you. Put it on a t-shirt if you want, put it on your bag, just have business cards with your QR code on the back. That way you just have an easy way to hand the customer a way to reply. Day 6, we're going to add the review link to your email signature. Day 7, repeat the system. Don't reinvent it. Basically, just keep doing the reviews, asking for the reviews, replying to the reviews. If there's questionable reviews, follow up with those reviews. Those are the important reviews, honestly, because those are the ones that make you look bad. Look, if you go back up to here, your 1-star reviews, you've got 3 instant comebacks and they sound professional. Thank you for your feedback, and we're sorry to hear about your experience. Please reach out to us directly so we can better understand what happened. We're sorry your experience did not meet expectations. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. We'd appreciate the opportunity to speak with you offline. Basically, you don't want to leave bad reviews hanging. Okay, now you've got a real review system. You have the link, the QR code, the messages, the replies, and a simple way to make asking part of the job instead of an afterthought. That's the win. Keep it polite. Ask everyone the same way. Don't offer incentives. Don't argue in public. Just make it easy for people to leave a review and easy for you to respond.